Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are feeling amazing and inspired to launch your businesses or to grow your existing businesses. Today we are talking about why you should not save money to start your juice business. Before we dive into that, if you guys don't know who I am and you don't know who we are and it's your first time visiting the channel, welcome. For over the last 10 years, myself and our company has had the pleasure of supporting people like you all over the world launch and scale successful juice businesses, acai bowl concepts, healthy cafes, and the like. So all the information you're getting here is coming from experience. And if you guys haven't yet, press the like button. That's obviously going to help the channel out. We put a lot of work into making these videos, and so we would appreciate an early thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now's a great time to do it. Press the notification bell so you can get alerted when we release new content. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Now, this might be considered a controversial thing to say. I know that a lot of people like to save money in order to launch their businesses. I was on a call recently with someone who is just early on in the stages of getting their business off the ground. And while we were speaking, she said something that I thought, you know what, this is really interesting and I want to make a video about this. Because she was in a place where she had a decent paying job and she was able to save, but she made a plan to take the next 2 years to save a fraction of what she would need to actually launch her business. And now I know this is a mentality that a lot of us have, and I have to be honest, I suffered from this mentality as well. I felt like if I'm going to start a business, I need to pay for everything out of my own pocket. Now, a lot of first-time entrepreneurs don't realize that 99% of the businesses that you see all around you were all started from investment capital or capital from lending companies. Could be a bank or other kinds of lenders. Okay, 99% of the businesses that you're looking at, almost no business actually starts and grows from all the money from the founder, because most individuals don't have enough money to actually launch a business. Because if you had that money, you'd probably already be successful doing something else, right? And so even if you did have the money, let's say, because some people do, right? There are a lot of clients we work with, they've got all the capital, maybe they inherited money or they sold a house or something happened where they were able to accumulate enough money to launch their business. Some people also don't want to use all of their own money anyway. They want to leverage other people's capital. So the primary thing that I want to talk about in this video is, one, to open your mind to the idea that you don't have to use all of your own money to launch your business, whether you have it or you don't have it. And on top of that, there is a big risk in taking too much time, right? There's also not just risk, but there's also an opportunity cost to take a multitude of years to grow your business. Because what you'll notice is that sometimes with other business owners, something that takes you 1 year to do, somebody's done in 1 month. Something that takes you 10 years, somebody's done in 1 year. So realize that there's an opportunity cost to moving too slowly. And sometimes the thing that's really forcing people to move slow is because of the mentality and the idea that they have to save up all of their own money before they launch their business. And this is not correct, right? There are a lot of people out there. I remember I was having another conversation recently and someone was, open to the idea that they might want to raise money for their business, but they asked me, they said, Andrew, where are all the people where I'm going to get this money from? And I said, they're all around you. You just don't know it, right? There are doctors that are in your environment. There are, dentists that might want to invest in businesses. There are other business owners that are successful that might want to invest in other businesses. The people who have funded and financed all the businesses that you see around you, those are the people who are also going to fund and finance your business. And so a lot of it's partially the idea that it's hard to relate to the idea if you don't have a lot of money of your own, that someone else who does have money would want to invest in your company. But know that it is possible. It's happening all the time, right? The first thing that you're going to need to do is to actually put a business plan together for your concept. And this is something, if you do need support with, reach out to me at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. We put a lot of business plans together for our clients, and they've raised hundreds of thousands of dollars in order to launch their businesses. So this is an opportunity that you can utilize, because raising capital and raising money is an essential skill set as an entrepreneur, right? Yes, you have to learn how to run your own business. You have to learn how to market your business. You have to learn how to hire your staff. There's a lot of things, but also learning how to raise money is an essential skill set that you will benefit from. And so if you guys take anything away from this video, if you feel like you've been limited to not starting your business because you don't have the money and you feel like you need to save up in order to launch your company, shift your mind state and realize that you can get other people, and it could be a lot of people, it doesn't have to be one person, if you're going to go to investors, to invest in your concept so you can launch your business or get money from a multitude of places. Maybe you do have some money saved up, but maybe it's not enough yet. So you use a portion of your money, some investment capital, maybe some bank financing, or some version of that. So open your mind if you've been restricted in your thinking around how you're going to raise money for your business, or the fact that you need to save money in order to start your business, and realize that there's a lot of opportunities out there that can help accelerate your growth. So it doesn't take you years to open up your first storefront, but maybe it takes you a number of months. So this is Andrew McFarland. I hope this video has been helpful with StartAJuiceBar.com. If you guys haven't liked the video yet, press the like button. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment box below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you definitely want to do that. Hit the notification bell so you get alerted when we release new content. Follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. Check out our podcast on Spotify and iTunes. And as always, we are here to create a world where there are more healthy food service concepts than unhealthy food service concepts. And together we can really make that a reality. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you at the next video. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. If you're in a place where you are really inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, the 15 steps to starting your juice bar from scratch. Now, this is going to give you an overview of all the steps that you need to take in order to launch your business. If you want to go even deeper, we created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every single aspect of the business, starting from the very beginning all the way to actually launching a successful juice business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you guys will find a lot of value out of them. As always, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you guys in the next video.